Hi guys, and welcome to Coffee with Nadia, where we love handbags and everything else girly. So today's video is on my repair of the Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM Mon Monogram print. I ended up changing the top trim, and that's because I did my 3-year review on it a few months ago, and I didn't know, I mean, it was in really bad shape. So I will attach the video of what it looked like before I was standing in Louis Vuitton before I handed in. I was like, let me just take a few seconds and tape. So here's the video. Okay, because of this going on, my last little video. I know I'm taping. All right, and now I'll attach on top, I'll attach the 3-year review that I did that kind of started this whole thing. And you guys were very like 99% of you said, go ahead, just get it done. You know, it'll be a different color. We can age it, whatever. Like, just get it done. You won't regret it. And you know what, you guys? I don't regret it. So if you want to see what it looks like, stay tuned. Alright, so when I got it back, I was quite surprised that, I mean, this is my first thing that I've ever had repaired. It did come in a dust bag. They did give me a Louis Vuitton bag. And this whole repair cost me $60. Now, they weren't sure themselves because they were like, it's going to be under $100. It's either 60 or 90. We don't remember. So just so you know, it could be a maximum of $90. So when I came in to pick it up, I was thinking it's going to cost me $100. Nope, $60. Very excited. They even gave me a dust bag. The reason for that being is because I was procrastinating so bad without, not taking it in. And that's why I needed your help. It's just I could not bring myself to turn it in for some reason. Yeah, this is my most used bag, and this is my most cherished bag. So I just didn't want to send her off. And one time we had our sister dinner that we have every month, and we were in Brook Mall over here by me. And my sisters are just like, Nadia, just let's go do it. So I ended up just taking it in. They gave me a Louis Vuitton bag to put all my stuff in. And I'm so happy, you guys. It is right here, and check this out. Look at this. And it looks like, I mean, it might be my imagination, the leather itself is much thicker than it was. And obviously it's pristine. But you know what? I don't think I'm gonna age it. I know it sounds weird. I mean, unless I feel like it, because it's a 3-year bag. My strap did start to, have that honey color. But if you look at it like, well, maybe no, I do. I don't know. Here's another thing to ask you, right, guys? I mean, I don't think it's so bad. See what I mean? It's like you could still tell that this is new leather and this is the honey leather. But I also don't want it to look fake, you know what I mean? So let's do this. Same thing. For those who haven't seen this purse, it's so beautiful and pink on the inside. And so all I really did have them do is change the top trim, but it looks absolutely gorgeous. And let me see where the connection is, because in the last video, if you take a look at that 3-year review video, the connection where the leather met, it was completely frayed. It was completely like separated and frayed. Now, I don't know how much this overlaps. This overlaps way more. So this overlaps like ½ an inch. I kid you not. This is going to be very hard to show you on camera. Let me try this. So this is where it overlaps. I don't want to hurt the purse, but it literally overlaps like ½ an inch. I'm not kidding you. It's like from here to here that it overlaps, which is good, because the last one, literally, it was just so thin on that end part that it just came apart and it looked really bad. With this being said, maybe this is a good of like how like 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 my honey one and this one. See? With this being said, now I need your help to see if I should, what do you think? Should I age it? Should I, I'm always like, I don't like to hurt my leather. I like to take care of it, and like I'm afraid to hurt it. But if you know of a way I can safely age this new leather so it kind of matches my other one, please let me know. Or maybe if you know of a YouTuber who does it, let me know. Or if you're a YouTuber and you have a video on it, please let me know. Because I want this to stay pristine. This is my everyday bag. This will be used. I miss it. I have a lot of handbags, so it's not like I didn't, but still, this is like one of my most special bags, and it takes a beating for it to look like this. It's just, it's amazing, because with work, I can throw a laptop in here. I can. It takes a beating, and it's just, I'm so excited I got it back. And I think they did a beautiful job. I was so surprised, because my first instinct when I saw it was how thick the leather was, because that was the first thing I went to see. I hope you guys can see how thick it is. Maybe a little bit. I know it's probably hard for you to see, but that was my absolutely #1 concern. So, well, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and stopping by my channel. You guys are absolutely amazing, and I humbly appreciate every single one of you watching this. Thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye!